Hello and welcome everyone to today's assembly, and it's the very first assembly of 2021. So a very happy new year if I've not seen you, and I hope you're all having a really good time. So today we have a value assembly, and we're going to be introducing the brand new value of the term. And this term we'll be looking at the value of excellence. Actually go into what excellence is and what excellence can look like. A reminder, what are our 6 values at Elaine? So well done if you said any of these. We should all know them by now. They are respect, collaboration, resilience, friendship, excellence, and responsibility. Today, we're going to be focusing on the value of excellence. So, excellence. What does that mean to you? Excellence can mean the quality of being outstanding or very good, producing some work or learning that is a very good standard, very high quality. Excellence can also mean you show the values. That includes our other school values, including respect, resilience, collaboration, perseverance, and friendship. Excellence can also mean that you strive to be the best you can be and do the best that you can do. Overcoming challenges and not giving up. Excellence means all of these things. It means that you will not give up. You will keep on going to do the best that you can do by showing all those values. And by doing all that, you will produce work, learning, attitudes that is the very best of you. How can we actually show excellence? So here's one example. I'm struggling with my work. I'm finding it a bit difficult. I may not understand it. How can I show the value of excellence? I can show the value of excellence by not giving up and finding a way to achieve the work, to find a solution. This could mean I ask for help. This could mean I might need to take a break, give my brain a bit of a rest, and then come back to that work and learning after. It may mean that actually I might need to do a bit more extra research or extra further reading or learning in order to really understand something. That might mean I might need to rewatch a video or I might need to go and find out more information. But I will not give up and I will show perseverance in order to achieve the best I can do. Here's another example. This time, I really want to finish my work really quickly just so I can get some free time. How can I show excellence in this situation? You're right, I'm not showing excellence because I'm rushing my work. So I need to remember that I need to show the best work I can and show respect and perseverance to my work and in my attitude. So I could do different things to help me. I could slow down my work. I could try and complete one task at a time rather than rushing through lots of different ones. I might set a timetable to complete my work for me to work out what I'm doing at different parts of the day. I could organize my work. That might mean having a nice clear space to work at. It could mean knowing I've got all my resources ready, all my pencils, my laptop ready if I need it, my pen. So this is another way that I can show excellence and hopefully produce learning and work of the best quality that I can. So in today's assembly, I want you to think about How can you show the value of excellence at school and when you're at home? Now, don't forget that you can email and tweet your learning, everything you're doing at home to us at school. You can tweet your class, you can email your class, and we will love to see lots of different examples of all of you showing that value of excellence. Let's see how many different ways that we can see that value being shown at home. Don't forget, all of our home learning is online, and we are holding Zoom calls daily for those in early years to year 6. And we'll be making phone calls and checking in. So when we do those, tell us how have you shown the value of excellence. We can't wait to celebrate some of the examples that I'm sure we're going to see. Okay, everyone. Bye.